It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you are finally going to get to see my husband's nails. They don't look that bad, but in this video, I'm just going to really get him together. This is a great thing that you can do for your loved one for Valentine's Day. So that's why I am giving you all this video, okay? So here I'm just showing y'all some tools and things that I'm going to be using. When I pulled out those metal cuticle pushers, he was kind of looking like, wait a minute, what you about to do? And I'm gonna bring him on so that he can tell you about his experience in a second. But I showed you guys 2 cuticle pushers. Now it's a lot of different kinds, different ways that you can use them, etc. So I'm gonna do one for you all with one of them, and then the other finger with the other one. So with this one, I feel like the cuticle pusher side is sharper, but the scraper side is not that sharp. And with the second one that I'm going to use on his ring finger, the cuticle pusher side is a little bigger and can be a little more gentler on the cuticles, but the scraper part is really sharp on this tool that I'm using right now. So definitely check out some different kinds, try them out and see how you like them for yourself. So tell us how it was for you.
Well, I never had an experience where someone used a cuticle pusher on me, and so I was very uncomfortable.
He said like it's a
torture device, exactly. Because it felt really weird, and I don't know if my fingertips were just sensitive to it, because I never had that done before, but it just did not feel right.
Yeah, like it's a surgical procedure. Had that done before.
That's how I felt. I mean, yeah, I didn't even know that, that part of the fingernail or whatever, you could scrape the stuff off of it or anything like that. I was just
living your life with just dead cuticles from birth.
I guess. Leave my cuticles alone.
Okay, so I am finishing up the thumb here. And if y'all want to hear more of us together, make sure y'all go to our couples channel, Chilling with the Chisholms.
Chilling with the Chisholms.
So now I'm going to clip his nails. Now he clipped his own nails in the worst way. He clips them on both sides and don't clip the middle. So it's like he's having stiletto nails or something. So, or almond shaped nails. He don't ever square his nails off. So when I do his nails, I make sure that they're nice and just cut down really as low as I can get them, so that they're not sharp. I don't know if when he does his own nails, if he don't file them or what. I don't know what he does, but I clipped his nails as low as I could, that I thought would be a good length. And then I'm going to go in and file. Filing is so important. So you don't want to file the nails with a really rough file, okay? You want to use a gentle file. So as you can see, I showed you both sides of this nail file, and to file his natural nail, I am using the side with the softest grit. Okay, I don't remember the grit on this, but I use the softest side. And here I am going back and forth. Now you don't really want to, do a seesaw motion when filing the nails. You want to file like this, how I'm just going in one direction. That's what you want to do. So even if I do a little seesaw here and there, I like to finish off with going in the same direction. Just, swipe, 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 and not the back and forth. How was this step?
It was fine. I think it just feels weird, somebody like holding your finger and taking the file across your nails, because usually I just do that myself. But
do you feel like you was doing a good job?
I mean, I just do it
compared to when you clip and file your nails and when I clip and file your nails. Which one you felt like was better?
I mean, of course yours is better. I mean, you act like I fool with this. I just be doing what works, and then that's it.
So I'm almost done filing them up, and I'm using this brush to just remove the excess dust, and then we're going to go to the next step. So now I am going around that cuticle area to file away that dead skin. So I'm going around the cuticle area, and I'm just gently getting that dead skin that the scraper didn't get. How was this step of the process?
It was fine.
And make sure that you score your nail files, which is when you take another file and go around the edges of whatever file you're about to use. This way, when you're using it in the cuticle areas, you don't accidentally cut your client. So now I'm going to go in with the Satin hands. This is in the scent Peach. We do not carry this scent anymore, but we do have a new scent. Let me know if you want to try it or purchase it. My link to my Mary Kay website is below in the description bar. So first I'm going to go in with the first step, which is the soften step. This is going to soften any calluses, anything that's like rough on the hand. This first step is going to start to soften that up, so that when we go in with the second step, which is the scrub step, we can scrub that away. How was this?
I really like Satin hands. I use it a lot.
So doing this for someone, like as you can see how I'm massaging his hands and all of this, of course they can, do the Satin hands themselves, but this kind of makes it, like it's a treat that you're doing for someone. So as you can see, I clipped his nails, filed them, added the soften. Now I'm going to go in with the scrub, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to massage this in his hands, and this is what makes it, that Valentine's Day or that birthday or that, special occasion type of pampering session. So here I'm just going to rub it in, And you want to make sure that you really get into the hand, especially if you're doing this for somebody who works with their hands a lot. As you can see, looking at his hands, he don't really do a lot with his hands for real, because his hands actually kind of look like the little silicone hands that I have. But if you're doing this for somebody that works, you know, on cars or in the yard and all kind of stuff like that, really take your time and really work some of that roughness and some of that dead skin off of their hands. As you can see, I'm just going around that cuticle area just to scrub away anything, and he's going to go wash that away. And look how nice his hands look, y'all. Don't they look like the silicone hands? So now I'm going to go around his cuticles with some cuticle oil.
Yeah, I like the cuticle oil. It just makes everything feel moisturized, shiny.
So with this cuticle oil, you can grab these from the Bella Hoot website below. And I'm just going to rub this in. Just massage that around the cuticle area. Now it's time for step 3, which is the hand cream. Once again, I'm gonna, massage this in. And even if you want to buy this Satin Hands product and without, pushing the cuticles back and clipping the nails and all that, you don't have to do all of that. Even if you and your husband or your wife just want to sit down and just do this Satin Hands treatment on each other, that would be a wonderful kind of, romantic end of the day. I done had a long day. Let me just do the Satin Hands on you, okay? So definitely check the link out. My Mary Kay website is in the description bar below so that you guys can go grab one of these. And look how nice his hands look. This Satin Hands ain't no joke, y'all. So definitely check that out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day and a just awesome February overall. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.